Hello, welcome to your ultimate hub of pet health essentials. My name is Dr. Angel and this is Hugo, my assistant. Today we're going to be talking about the correlation between pet health issues and behavioral problems. And it's not unusual, for instance, for dogs to go and urinate in different places, to hide in places that they normally didn't used to hide, spending a lot more time in their litter trays. Sometimes you can even see them, like vocalizing, okay, because they are in distress. We also see dogs that they stop eating the chews and the treats that they used to love before. And that could indicate that there is a problem inside the mouth, like dental disease, right? There is pain there, and that's why they stop eating those treats. Our dogs that sometimes they will stop, for instance, wanted to go for walks, and they used to love to go for walks. But why is that happening? Why that change of behavior? It might be that they have pain in the back legs, in the hips, or it might be that they have pain in the front legs when going downstairs or going upstairs, okay? And there will be other issues like over grooming for cats, or barking at the walls, or staring at the wall and pressing the head against the wall. And this will tell us also that there might be either cognitive dysfunction or perhaps even a neurological issue that is far more serious. So stress is a risk factor for disease in our pets. And one of the most clear examples is our feline, our cats. They are really highly sensitive to stress, to the point that they develop physical disease, like true disease. Most commonly urinary tract disease. So they suffer inflammatory consequences, an inflammatory process in the bladder, which makes them struggle to go to the toilet, to urinate. Sometimes we might see blood in the urine, sometimes we might see them going to the litter tray and not being able to urinate. We also see them perhaps over grooming, and we can observe like bald patches in the abdomen, in the belly, or in the flanks on the sides. This is not just only cosmetic, it's also a dermatological problem. So the skin gets red, infected, inflamed, and causes pain. As well as that, the over grooming will cause gastrointestinal issues like blockage, obstruction of the intestine. Many times they'll have vomit or diarrhea. Putting together all the information that we recorded from you, like the different behavioral changes, grooming in excessively, not eating the favorite food because it's a bit harder, not being able to walk upstairs or downstairs, all that will help us as veterinarians to identify where the problem starts, where the problem is. So your annotations for behavioral problems with our physical exam findings when you come for a visit will lead us to effectively treat your pets in a much better way, and ultimately stop the potential pain that they are experiencing from these inflamed legs or inflamed bladders or inflamed like dental issues. So that's why it's important, and we emphasize that regular checks to our veterinarians is paramount, is very important. When you come in for a vaccine, it's not only a vaccination that we're doing, it's also a full physical exam, a checkup of your pet, and that will help us to identify the problems that are bothering him or her, and that will help us to treat more efficiently and effectively all these issues. Thank you for watching. My name is Dr. Angel. This is Hugo. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and keep up with pet health tips.